Next up on the bench today, some diesel jog jeans. These are very stretchy jeans that Diesel brought out a few years back. These specific ones have come in for shortening the hems. They're a little bit long on the customer, and then we've also tapered the leg down for him as well, make them a bit more of a skinny fit. Originally they were about 7.5 at the hem. Just let me get and we took them down to about a 6-inch hem, just to give it a slimmer fitment on the ankle there for him. We've got all the correct cottons and machinery to work on the jog jeans. Obviously, because they're a bit stretchy, you've got to be a bit careful, take a bit of time when altering them to get all the stitching right and everything. Obviously, because they've got a little bit, they've got more stretch in them than normal jeans. So if you've got any of these diesel jog jeans or any of these very stretchy, elasticated denim, drop me a DM, drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. If you want a quote for any work, we're based in Manchester, but we also offer a postal service as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.